Of course, using equating the coefficients, and of course, from this point, I'm going to take the LCM of both sides. We're having 20x plus 35 over what? X plus 4 squared is assumed to be equals to what? Of course, this will multiply this. One of this will cancel this. So one of these will be left. You have a bracket x plus 4. Why we have plus what? This, the LCM will multiply by this. The LCM will cancel the denominator. So you left it plus b over what? X plus 4 squared. So the denominators are the same. So therefore, they will cancel out. And we're going to be left with what? 20x plus 35 is assumed to be what? A x plus 4 plus b. The next step is that we're going to open this bracket out. So opening this bracket, you're having 20x plus 35 is assumed to be equals to what? Ax plus what? 4b, 4a, right? Sorry, plus 4a plus b. Of course, to start by equating the coefficient, so we're going to take 4x. We take 4x. What do we notice here? We consider that 20x is equal to ax. So we see that x will cancel x, and we see that a is equal to what? 20. We're going to consider the constant. In this case, we're going to consider the constants. So which constant are we considering? We're considering that 35 here and all here, because all these are constants. So 35 is equal to what? 4a plus b. But we know the value of a because a is 20. So I'm going to substitute that here, knowing that 35 is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 plus what? B. So since we know that a is 20, 4 multiplied by 20 is 80. So we're going to have that 35 is equal to what? 80 plus b. We're going to make b substitute formula. So b is equal to what? 35 negative 80, which is equal to what? Negative 45. So therefore, we're going to substitute the value of a and b into what we assume that our partial fraction. So doing that, we're going to have that 20x plus 35 over what? X negative 4, x plus 4 all squared is now equal to what? A 20. So we have equal to 20 over what? X plus 4 negative what? 45 into what? X plus 4 all squared. Now what do you notice? Is there anything common in both sides of the equation, so we can factorize it out? You notice 20 and 45. What is common to both sides? 5 is common, right? 5 is very common to both sides. So we're going to factorize 5 in the denominator. X plus 4 is common to both sides. 20x plus 35 is all over x plus 4 all squared is equal to what? 5 over what? X plus 4. So when we bring this out, you see that 20 divided by 5 will be left with 4 negative 5 divided by 45. 45 divided by 5 is 15 over what? You're left with what? X plus 4. So therefore, this is the final answer when we resolve 20x plus 35 over x plus 4 squared into partial fractions. So the concept is easy. You should understand that this is a repeated linear factor in the denominator. The only method you can use to solve this is what? Equating the coefficients.